How to fix Microsoft Teams app can't join or sign in. The first thing that we're gonna try out is to force close and reopen. So open up Teams, go to the history, swipe it away, and see if that fixes it. The second thing that we're gonna try and do is switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, right here. And if that doesn't work, the third thing that you wanna try is to hold the Teams app, remove the app, so that means deleting it, and then reinstalling it back through the App Store. And if you still can't join meetings, tap the meeting link and then choose Open in the Teams app. Or if that doesn't work, copy the link and then paste inside of the Teams app. And the last thing that you need to do is check the account type that you're using. If you're using a work or school account, it needs a company login, and if you're using a personal account, it needs a different environment. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.